What if you could build your own AI chatbot website and host it yourself on a VPS? Not just use AI tools, but actually launch your own AI-powered website that people can interact with online. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a simple chatbot interface using AI, connect it to an AI model provider like OpenRouter, and then deploy it live on your own VPS. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a working AI chatbot website running live on your server. What's up everyone, it is Christian from RackNerd TV, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to combine AI, web hosting, and VPS deployment into one beginner-friendly project. If you've watched our previous videos where we built a game and a website using AI, this is the perfect next step, because now we're moving into AI-powered applications. We're going to use AI to generate the front-end chatbot interface using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, connect it to an AI API provider, and then host it live on a VPS using Apache. And if you're looking for a VPS for projects like this, RackNerd has some great VPS deals at racknerd.com/specials. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now we're on Chatgpt, so go ahead and use this prompt. Create a simple chatbot interface using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that connects to an API endpoint. Keep the design modern, responsive, and beginner-friendly. Once the AI generates the code, go ahead and copy everything, open your text editor, and paste the generated code. Then save the file as index.html. Now, before we continue, we also need an AI provider, API key, so the chatbot can actually generate responses. For this tutorial, we'll use OpenRouter since it gives access to multiple AI models through a single API. On your local computer, open your browser and go to openrouter.ai. Create an account and verify your email. Once you're logged in, go to the API keys section and generate a new API key. Copy that API key and keep it somewhere safe because we'll use it inside of our chatbot code. Now, go back to your index.html file inside the JavaScript section, look for the API key placeholder and replace it with your OpenRouter API key. You'll also want to make sure that the API endpoint points to OpenRouter's API. Now save the file again. At this point, double click the index.html file and open it locally on your browser. Try sending a message into the chatbot. If everything is configured correctly, the chatbot should now generate AI responses directly inside your browser. Now that we have confirmed everything is working locally, let's deploy it on a VPS. Go ahead and open the Bitvice SSH client. Now inside the terminal, we are going to install Apache. If you're using Ubuntu or Debian, run these commands. Once Apache finishes installing, open your server IP address in your browser. You should now see the default Apache page. Next, let's remove the default page. Run this command to do that. Now we're ready to upload our chatbot website. Inside the Bitvice SFTP window, navigate to var, that's /var/www/html. Once you're on your local machine, locate your index.html file and then drag it and drop it into that path. Once the upload finishes, go back to your browser and refresh your VPS IP address. Your AI chatbot website should now be live. Go ahead and test it directly from the VPS IP, send a few prompts and confirm that the chatbot is responding properly. And just like that, you now have your own self-hosted AI chatbot website running on your VPS. From here, if you want to make it more professional, you can connect a domain name by pointing your domain's A record to your VPS IP address. You can also continue improving the project by adding authentication, saving chat history, changing models, or redesigning the interface. And that's it, you have built and deployed your own AI chatbot website using AI and VPS hosting together. This is honestly one of the coolest things about modern AI tools right now. You can go from idea to a live AI powered project incredibly fast. And once you understand this workflow, you can start building even more advanced tools, assistants, dashboards, and applications. If you're looking for a reliable VPS to host projects like this, make sure to check us out at racknerd.com/specials. /specials. And if this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more VPS, Linux, AI, and self-hosted tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.